Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoom call, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you record a Zoom call in the app? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to record a call in Zoom anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing sales calls or maybe trainings with your employees, if you record the Zoom call, you can use it for future trainings or future proof of client testimonials. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's actually handled in the Zoom call itself. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up a live Zoom call, as you can see right here. Now, if you're in the call and you want to go ahead and record the Zoom call, there's a few different ways you can do this. The easiest way is down here on the bottom. You're going to click on record.
Recording in progress.
Once you click on that, you're going to get a voice alerting everybody that the call is going to be recorded. So let me go ahead and close this down. And once you stop recording, it's going to be up here on the top right. You can pause it or you can stop it.
Recording stop.
And then you're going to receive notification. Actually, everybody on the call is going to hear a voice saying the recording has stopped. Also, you can click up here on the top. There's a button called meeting. Once you click on meeting, you'll see a drop down and you can click on record.
Recording in progress.
And as you can see, you're going to end up receiving a notification the call is being recorded. And then you'll see the recording pause and stop button here on the top. Either way, it's going to do the same thing. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to record a Zoom call, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.